Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab theme was chosen by Guylene from Guylene325. At the end of my video, I'll share everybody's manicures, and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. I used 3 different Sinful Color nail polishes. I painted 2 nails gray and 2 nails white. Then I applied the Sinful Colors Hypnotic Transforming top coat to the 2 white nails. My original plan was to stamp clouds and make it like a gray rainy day manicure, but as you'll see, things didn't turn out as I had planned and I had to start all over again. The good thing about using the Hypnotic Transforming top coat is that you can quickly recreate the same look and it's very easy. So I decided to use this stamping plate and stamp leaves using a white nail polish. The first polish I chose was too light, so I ended up going over it with a different white polish, and I really like the way it turned out. The last step in the manicure is to apply a top coat, and I chose a matte finish. I'll be using Sally Hansen's matte top coat. We went from clouds to leaves, but I really like the end result. I think the matte top coat helps to see the leaves a little bit better. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!